Hello, fellow future and curious little rats out there. Welcome back to the Lab Rat channel. My name is Squee. And I just thought I'd hop on here and explain to you all that nurses always ask us why we don't send them what we call the fluvid swabs in their little box, pre-packaged. At least they think they're pre-packaged. So I figured I'd educate you all on what it actually comes across as. What we send to the staff are these. You got your swab, it's got your transport media, but how it actually comes is swab, transport media, and the bags. We put it together. Some assembly required. You'd think we bought it at IKEA. Anyways, have a wonderful day because you choose to make it a wonderful day. Look forward to the next video. Hit like and subscribe.